Maruti Suzuki is working on a new generation of Celerio. The hatchback has not been updated since it was launched back in 2014. It was the first hatchback to offer an AMT gearbox, which made it the most affordable automatic vehicle that you can buy in the Indian market. The new generation of Celerio was expected to launch in mid of May 2021. However, as per the new reports, the launch of the Celerio has been postponed to the third quarter of 2021. The reason behind postponing the launch could be the increasing number of coronavirus cases in our country. Maruti Suzuki is not the only one who has postponed the launch. Other manufacturers like Skoda has delayed the launch of their Octavia premium sedan. Hyundai postponed the launch of the Alcazar SUV. The new generation of the Celerio has been spotted numerous times on the Indian roads. The spy shots do reveal some information about the 2021 Celerio. The Celerio's tall body design has been toned down a bit and now it looks more like a conventional hatchback. The overall design is also a bit more rounded and modern. For some angles, the 2021 Celerio does look like a mini Baleno, which is the best-selling premium hatchback of the country. At the front, there are triangular headlamps that boast halogens instead of LEDs. This must have been done to lower the cost of the vehicle. The front grille is slim and the lower air dam is wide. The front bumper has also been redesigned. The bonnet is now flatter and the turn indicators are mounted on the front fenders. Although higher variants will get outside rear view mirrors in which the turn indicators are indicated. On the side, the design is simple and we do get some newly designed alloy wheels on higher variants, while the lower variants will still come with steel wheels. At the rear, there is a rear wiper with a washer, a high mounted stop lamp, conventional tail lamps that are still using halogens. The boot will be opened by the same door handle that we see on the doors. The interior also has been updated for the facelifted version. The higher variants will come with Maruti Suzuki's SmartPlay touchscreen infotainment system that comes with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The air conditioner vents will be mounted vertically and the controls of the AC will be placed below the infotainment system. It also comes with a new 3-spoke steering wheel, 12-volt accessory socket, all power windows, manual air conditioning and much more. For safety, there will be dual airbags, an anti-lock braking system with electronic brake distribution, rear parking sensors and a rear parking camera on the top end variant. The 2021 Celerio will be based on HERTEC platform. This should help in increasing the safety rating of the new Celerio. This is the same platform that we have seen on the Swift, Dzire, WagonR, Ignis and Espresso. It will be powered by 1-liter K10B naturally aspirated petrol engine that produces 67 bhp of power and 91 Nm of torque. It will be offered with a 5-speed manual gearbox or a 5-speed AMT. It will also be offered with factory-fitted CNG. There may be a 1.2-liter naturally aspirated engine also on the offer, which produces 83 PS of power and 113 Nm of torque.